My husband is absolutely opposed to any negative campaigning at all.
And now, he made time to go to the gym, but canceled a visit with wounded troops. Seems the Pentagon wouldn't allow him to bring cameras.
I'm John McCain, and I approve this message.
No press was ever intending to go with him. This is lame, really, Dan, pathetic kind of desperation politics at a very early point in this campaign.
Now, I know what the facts are on this because I was there.
The latest McCain campaign ad made an even more outlandish claim.
McCain has to be very careful of not getting drawn into this. You know, I was surprised to hear him on television this evening repeating things that I think he knows at this point aren't true.
I think these charges about not visiting a military hospital are just bunkum.
There are about 3 or 4 factual misstatements.
Chuck Hagel, the Republican senator, is a good friend of John McCain's. Was on that trip, and he said this is just nonsense about this hospital, and he called Senator McCain on this.
Anybody who knows the facts about what happened knows that that ad is a dishonest and disreputable and dishonorable ad.
I'm John McCain, and I approve this message.
Senator McCain, I served my country in Iraq as a supply specialist, and I am disappointed that you would approve a dishonest ad that uses my fellow troops for political gain.
Brave New Pack is responsible for the content of this message.